Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix double tap to wake screen problem on Realme phone. Friends, when you double tap on your lock screen and when your screen on automatic, so how to fix this problem, how to solve this problem on Realme phone. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. Friends, you can check when I double tap on my lock screen on automatic here. So how to fix screen double tap problem. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting, then scroll it and friends click on home screen and lock screen setting. Friends, you want to change your home screen mode. Friends, you want to use standard mode, driver mode, simple mode. You can select and friends you can use it. Friends, you want to change your home screen layout, row and column. Friends, you want to change, so you can change your row and column on your Realme phone device. Friends, you want to lock your home screen layout, you can lock from here. Friends, scroll it. Friends, you will find here lock screen setting, raise to wake and double tap to wake screen. Friends, this setting is on your Realme phone device. Friends, you will have to click right side icon and friends now come back. Friends, now we will lock our Realme phone screen, and friends now you want to on your screen, so you cannot on means you cannot use your double tap to wake screen setting as your problem will solve. Friends, you can on your screen with power button. So like that friends we can fix double tap to wake screen problem on Realme mobile. And friends, you can fix from your tool setting also. Friends, click on Realme phone tool setting. Friends, click on gesture settings and screen of gesture. Friends, you can see double tap setting. So friends, your double tap is on here, so you can off from here, your problem will solve. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt on your lock screen setting, you can ask me in comment section. Friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.